Good morning, guys. It's Monday. I'm starting a new week of what's in my husband's lunches. I wanted to show you guys some new items. Let me just show you the lunch first. Today I'm giving him a G2 Gatorade lower sugar and fruit punch. These are really good, by the way. An Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonade. Of course, as always, the water cooler. This sandwich that you saw me make is on this new bread that I found. It is excellent. I'm actually going to use this for BLTs for dinner and then some French toast. So sadly, this will probably be the only sandwich you see this week with this bread. I did make Matt a sandwich yesterday, Sunday, when I got it, but I'm so impressed with this. This to me is the best bread that's not from like a bakery that I found in a very long time. I like it more than that 12-grain Arnold bread that I showed you guys pretty recently. This is excellent. It's really grainy. It's really thick. It feels like it just came out, like it feels like your grandma baked it. It's not dry. I can't explain it, but definitely check this out. The Nature's Own thick slice multigrain, perfectly crafted. I'll definitely be buying this again, probably when this loaf runs out. It's that good. Again, going to use it for BLTs for dinner and then French toast for a breakfast. But anyways, that is the sandwich. You saw me make it. I put some Swiss cheese, some arugula and baby spinach. I also used some alfalfa sprouts, which I do use from time to time. A lot of times I forget to buy these. This week I remembered because I want to do some nice salads with these this week, and I put a whole bunch on. But I do like to throw them on sandwiches as well. So this one has roast beef, Swiss, the arugula baby spinach, some of these sprouts, and then for the spread, this is the Terrapin Farms brand pesto aioli from TJ Maxx. It was $3.99. I found it last week. And it's really good. They don't always have them, so when you're at TJ Maxx, check your like food, you know, like that foodie area, and sometimes if you look, you might find one of these in a different flavor maybe, but they're really good. I also packed him a string cheese, a apple cinnamon Nutri-Grain bar, which he'll probably have for his morning snack. Some chips here. These are like the lattice cut chips from Aldi. They're like garlic and cheese, I think, garlic cheddar maybe. They're really good thick cut lattice chips. And then lastly, a small little thing of peanut M&Ms just for a sweet treat. But anyways, this is lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these new little goodies. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up the work cooler. Today I'm giving Matt a Great Value, which is the Walmart brand, cream soda, a Pure Leaf, raspberry tea, and of course, as always, the water cooler. Little sandwich here on this like little Tuscan bread from the grocery store bakery. It's got pepper, turkey, spring mix, Swiss cheese, and some of that fry sauce, which is really good, by the way. It's like a little spicy. We have 2.5 hard-boiled eggs. So again, they're just cut in half, so it equals 2.5 hard-boiled eggs, salt and pepper, a strawberry Nutri-Grain bar, probably his morning snack, along with a couple of these, and then one of the Oscar Mayer natural honey smoked turkey breast, Asiago cheese with crackers. He likes to make like little cracker sandwiches out of them. This is lunch today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up my husband's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Gatorade G2, which is the low sugar version, in the fruit punch flavor, a peach Pure Leaf iced tea, a little wrap here on the cheddar jalapeno flavored wrap, and we have some peppered turkey, some arugula and baby spinach mix, some Swiss cheese, and then some of the chipotle bacon aioli from TJ Maxx. One of the Ritz little cracker things with a bacon and cheddar cheese filling, some cut up carrots with the ranch dip, and then some fresh cut up pineapple and nectarine in this little green cup. This actually holds more than it looks like though. But yes, this is lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Morning guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. He's bringing a Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonade today, one of the Gatorade lower sugar fruit punch flavors, the bagel sandwich which you saw me made. This bagel is really fresh. I just got it yesterday afternoon, and it has Genoa salami, spicy mustard, Swiss cheese, and a bunch of peppery arugula, and it's nice and soft and fresh. It's gonna be really good. Some pickle chips. These are just some dill pickle chips. I just stacked them up in this little container. This is a little Sistema container. A pepper jack cheese stick, and then these are the little bites vanilla, like little mini muffins. I took them out of the regular bag last night because I thought Grady wanted them and he didn't, so I just put them in a Ziploc, and Matt will eat them today for work. So yeah, this is lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, it's Friday. We made it to the end of the week. Today I'm giving Matt a honey green tea by Pure Leaf, a Gatorade lower sugar in the fruit punch flavor, simple sandwich here on regular good old soft white bread with some salami, arugula, Swiss cheese, and spicy mustard. A small little thing of Pringles, some crisp celery with some of the Jif creamy peanut butter to go. You can find this at like Walmart or Target or pretty much any major grocery store, I feel like, in the peanut butter aisle. And then a portion of cold pasta salad that I made yesterday, I believe, with all different kinds of veggies and herbs and pepperoni, salami. I tossed in Italian dressing, and then of course a fork for him to eat it. So this is lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Lunches. If you did, please share this video, and I will see you guys all in my next one.